How to connect Mailchimp to Big Cartel. Hello there guys, and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Mailchimp to Big Cartel. So this is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So first off, what we need to do is to sign in to our Big Cartel login. Now once signed up, go to your account section in the upper right hand corner and click on it. So in this section, what you need to do is to scroll down until you get onto your app section here down below. As you can see, you can actually click on Mailchimp if you see it right there right away. But if not, let's browse our apps and integrations. So what I will be doing is that I'm going to click on the search button here and search for Mailchimp. Now click on it, and basically there will be an article on how to connect your Big Cartel on Mailchimp. So to set up, let's start with authorizing Mailchimp to connect your Big Cartel account. So click on it. And basically you will be routed to this page, wherein you would be asked to add your Mailchimp for Big Cartel to build custom segments, send automations, and track purchase activity. So let's hit on the connect button. Once you will be hitting on the connect button, there will actually be a pop out, and in that pop out it will actually ask you to log into your Mailchimp, and afterwards they will ask you to authorize linking your Mailchimp onto your Big Cartel account. So basically, if you actually agree onto it, what you need to do is to simply accept and authorize. Okay, once done with this process, we are going to continue to the next one that we have right here. Okay, so now that we have already connected, what we are going to do next is to simply go to our next step, which is to start syncing. So you can actually start mapping with the first name, last name, and whatnot. You just need to input all the fields or necessary details that are being asked in this section right here. And click on Start Sync. And afterwards, once you are done syncing, you just need to complete the process. And that's about it for today's video. I hope that you find this tutorial helpful, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.